Good evening. Today I would like to talk about saving and printing. This is the last chapter of the unit, and we are going to learn how to save a presentation as a PowerPoint, PDF, or PNG, or whatever else you want to save it as, create handouts, and print a presentation. So let's get started. And let me tell you what this is in other terms. To print PowerPoint slides, we will be able to print handouts that have more than one slide on a page. And we will save a new slideshow with a file name and place. We have to save it. And save new changes on a slideshow. So let's get started. PowerPoint is useful for making handouts. Handouts are sheets of paper that I can give to people. I want to make a handout showing the hours and rules of the computer lab. So let me open PowerPoint. Let me start from the beginning. Close this and close it. Don't save. All right, so I'm going to, just as a reminder, I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on the PowerPoint. I know it's right here, but it's not always, but it's always here. So let me click there. Let me open it. And then I have the file, Computer Lab Hours. Let me open that. All right, and first page is title and content. So let me change the layout. Title and content. There we go. Oops. First slide. Okay, let me see here. I didn't do this. I think I did that already. So yes, it's got title and we've got the content here. It's Computer Lab Hours. And I made a new slide. I also did a title and content. Computer Lab Rules. Now, I want to print this so I can give it to people at school. And actually, it's probably better to use other programs, but sometimes you want to use PowerPoint for printing things. So I'm going to click on File, and I'm going to click Print. Okay, there's the Print button. And then I'm going to click on this one. I'm not going to do it because it will print it, and I don't need it printed right now. If I print now, one slide will be on each side of paper. But because I have two slides, PowerPoint will print on two slides of paper. However, I want to put two slides on one piece of paper. In PowerPoint, I can change the number of slides on each piece of paper. So I clicked, once again, I clicked File. Then I clicked Print. Then I clicked, it says full page slides. Just a second. Two slides. Here we go. Ta-da. Now, as I did that, we have the preview here. Now you can see what it's going to look like. Preview of the printed document on the right side of the window. Point out as a... There are other configurations for printing too. Check this out. I can do 4 slides. I don't have 4 slides here. I can do 6. 6 slides horizontal, 6 slides vertical. So if you have a lot of slides and you want your audience wants to keep things, I recommend putting it on, put multiple slides on one page. But I only have 2 slides, so I'm going to put 2 on this page. So then, now I have it. So once again, I went from 1 slide, then 2 slides. Then I click Print, and it should come out of the printer. Okay. Yeah, so I have 2 slides on one sheet of paper. Could have 4 slides. Okay, or 1 slide with room for notes. You can write notes on the top or bottom. Now, let me get out of that. I want to save this slideshow. That way, if the computer lab schedule changes, I can change these slides and print them again.